It's a little chilly in the house today, but that's why if you see goosebumps. So, quick ass video, guys. I want to let you guys know what's going on and what your thoughts are. But it's official. WB's Toby Emmerich is resigning from WB. He's looking at going maybe into Netflix or some other kind of platform or studio, so to speak. Correct? And he was in charge of HBO Max as well. Now, why is this a big thing for you? I'm gonna break it down real fucking quick and real competent for the big thing. Now, the Culture Nerd also reported on this a while ago, back in, I would say, August-ish, saying that, yeah, Toby Emmerich is probably going to resign after the Snyder Cut is going to come out and trust me, everybody at WB does not want the Snyder Cut to come out. And Toby Emmerich is one of the, even though Toby Emmerich didn't want to, but he ended up making the call to Zack Snyder about, let's release the Snyder Cut. He is not in support of it at all. He never wanted this thing to come out, let alone did he want it to be good at all. So the fact that it came out and it did really well makes him look like a fool for the most part. And the big thing is he is officially resigning from Warner Brothers, Warner Media, HBO Max, whatever you want to call it. So is this a good thing for the Snyderverse? Fuck yes, it is. It's just another step in the road to the right direction to get the Snyderverse restored. So that's a really good thing. Now, I'm going to find out a lot more info. I'm just getting the breaking news out there for you guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon with a new update about what's going on. See you guys.